Hello and hi and welcome to our channel Aptitude Math Learner. So today we are having a question that is related to the ages and ratio. So the question is, the ratio of the age of a man and his wife is 4:3, and after 4 years this ratio will be 9:7. And if at the time of the marriage the ratio was, when they got married, their ratio was 5:3, then how many years ago they were married? So let's try to solve out the question. So let's start. So first of all, here we have to find the original ages, that what is the present age of man and woman. So we have to do, let the ages of man and woman be, that is 4x and 3x. So the age of man, that is man's age is equal to 4x. So we say, let's say, so we say now, and woman's age, wife's, so his wife's age, that is equal to 3x. See, so we have supposed. So first we have to find their original ages. If you take a look at the question, that we have given the original ages of man and his wife only in the ratio, but in the next part you can see in the above question, that is after 4 years. So after 4 years the ratio will be 9:7. So we take after 4 years, after 4 years. So what? After 4 here, that is 4x, that is the man's age, upon 3x, the wife's age, plus 4. It means after 4 years plus 4 is equal to, and what will be the ratio become? The ratio will become 9:7. So after 4 here, their ages will be in the ratio of 9:7. So hope you are getting the answer. So to solve it, we cross multiply it and we get the answer, that is 7. 4x plus 4 is equal to 9. 3x plus 4. So we have just cross multiplied it and it becomes 28x plus 28. So 7 multiplied by 4 and as well as by 4, we get the answer 28 is equal to 9 multiplied by 3, that is 27x plus 36. So hope you have got here till here. So it becomes 28x minus, this is 27, it becomes 27x. It goes at the this side, it becomes minus, is equal to, here we have 36 minus 28, and if we simplify it, we get here x is equal to 8. So we have just got the value of x. Now to find out the ages, the real ages, now their original ages are, so to find out we have just supposed here that man's age is 4x and the woman age is 3x. So man's age, that is 4x is equal to, so 4 multiply what is the value of x, that is 8, is equal to, it is 32 years. So this 32 year is the age for man. And wife's age, that is 3x is equal to 3 multiply, so this we just do an arrow, that is 8, and it becomes 24 years. So hope till here you have understood it. So if you look at the second part of the question, it has been asked, if at the time of the marriage the ratio was 5:3, it means at back when they got married, then how many years ago they were married? So we have to find the year in which they got married. So let x be the year they got married. So hope you are understanding it. Now we do it now for the second portion of the question, and here we get, so we have got the original present age, that is 32 for the man and 24 for the woman. So minus x, so let x be the year they got married. So from the present age we minus the age when they got married. So here as well as minus x, and what will be the ratio? So when they got married, there at that time the ratio was 5:3. So 5:3. So hope you have understood it till here. Now to solve out it, we get again cross multiplying it, and we get here, that is 32 minus x, we have just cross multiplied it, is equal to 5, and 24 minus x, and we get here, that is 96 minus 3x minus 3x is equal to 120 minus 5x. So hope till here you have understood it. So it is minus 3x. So here we are having minus 5x. It goes this side and becomes plus 5x is equal to 120, and this 96 goes this side, it becomes minus 96, and here we get the answer, that is 2x. So here we are having the plus sign with the greater digit, so we get plus is equal to, and it becomes 24. So x is equal to 24 upon 2, and we get the answer, that is 12. So x is 12 year back. So x we have taken, let x be the year they got married. So this is the year 12 year back. 12 year back they got married. So the answer is 12. So this is our answer. So 12. So thank you very much, and hope you have understood the question. If is any doubt with you in this question, so you may leave a comments below, and hope I will answer it soon. So thank you very much.